Sleep and health. Not too many years ago, the philosophy was that sleep was a luxury and, more than 6 hours, a symbol of indolence. It is wrong and even a life-threatening idea. Sleep is non-negotiable and life-giving. It has at least as much importance as exercise and nutrition. Sleep, like almost everything else, degrades with age. The latest findings are that the slowest wave sleep, delta, goes down to a tiny fraction of its prime by the time we hit 65. So what? Sleep is defined by changes in the frequency of the brain's neural activity, otherwise known as brainwaves. As you read this, you are in beta, and when you are having your most vivid dreams, you are also in the exact same level beta. Only you're completely unconscious. Between these peaks in activity, the brain symmetrically moves through alpha, calm consciousness, to theta, light sleep, and hopefully to the slowest level, delta. This pattern is like a sine wave and quite regular, over 4 to 5 cycles lasting about 90 minutes each. So why is this so important? Because we degrade cognitively as our delta wave sleep declines. Coincidence? Probably not. No drug positively can affect sleep cycles. Depressants do force sleep, but the architecture of the cycles is disrupted. The cycles exist to allow different functions to take place. In other words, the brain does not do the same things at different speeds. No. It performs separate functions at slower speeds. Functions not possible during the other speeds. Delta is a very special speed because unique brain functions only happen there, like physical cleansing of the brain. Yes, only during delta does the brain slightly contract as the unified delta waves move from front to back. Somehow, this reduction in surface area permits the cerebrospinal fluid to pass through the glial cells, the stuff holding the neurons in place. As it passes, it cleans the brain. This is the only time the brain is physically cleaned in delta. Delta only occurs in the first 2 cycles of sleep, the first 3 hours. If you get to bed late, you may even miss that, as it is on a 24-hour or circadian cycle. The point is, delta is life-giving and precious. It is highly correlated to cerebral function. Further, not cleaning the brain is how Alzheimer's and dementia sneak in. To increase delta is to increase vitality. In a shameless plug for the greatest sleep system ever, please see my page on Dial-Up Delta, a revolutionary sleep system and the only one on the market to target and dynamically enhance delta wave sleep. Delta sleep rejuvenates the brain in a way nothing else can. Increasing delta is the fountain of youth, at least so says Ponce de Leon, our spokesman.